How does it feel that Binoy's come second in the third race? So how does it feel?
Absolutely awesome. I kind of expected him to be in the top 5.
Okay.
So when he came second, it's incredible.
Anything to add, sir?
I'm very happy for him. He's
So-
worked hard.
How has the journey been up until here?
Journey has been nightmarish. Sometimes so many races and so many events and so many things. But today I think dream come true for him and for us.
Would you rather he did something other than racing?
Not really.
So was it
I want
easy?
him to do what he enjoys.
Was it easy convincing yourself that he's in a sport in motorsport?
Quite easy. You've seen him from childhood. His only passion is cars. He loves cars.
So
I
many-
think he's young, and I think for a person so young as he is at 21, he knows he has a mind of his own, and he knows exactly what he wants to do. And he's already working with Race Dynamics in Bangalore, and they are a company that they make gadgets for cars to enhance the performance of cars. So it's complementary to what he's already doing. They also make governors, so I hope someday he will use them as well.
So do they sponsor him as well?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I guess now they will.
Not monetarily, but they give a lot of support.
So how important was it that your parents were convinced that?
No, you need money. It's an expensive sport, so they've support me throughout, from karting, anything I wanted to do, always support me. And for this event, I also had Nandita supporting me. So that was a really big deal. So it's only because of them and Beth that I'm actually doing this series. So I didn't expect, dropped out of the Polo Cup last time during the finals. So to actually come as a rookie and sit between, Arjun and Diljit, who are winning championships in every other series, it's a big thing. It feels good.
So what's your plan now? How will you celebrate this victory?
We're going to go back to Bangalore and party. I'm going to take my friends out, the ones who came to see watch. I'm going to take them out and have a good time with them.
Best of luck, guys.
Thanks.
Thank you for your time.
Bye-bye.